For the curve cosine of x minus pi halves, we're going to be finding the amplitude, period, and phase shift of this curve in order to graph it. And then once we have that graph, we're going to be able to find the x-intercept and the coordinates for the maximum and minimum values of this curve. So let's start off by writing what y equals cosine of x will look like in order to have some sort of reference for when we shift it over. So cosine of x looks like has a maximum at 1, crosses the x-axis at pi halves, has a minimum at x negative 1, crosses the x-axis, or at pi negative 1, crosses the x-axis again at 3 pi halves, and completes the period at 2 pi. So connecting these dots, we have this sort of cup shape for our cosine graph. Now for this curve.